Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Teams tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how you can perform a line break in Teams without sending the message. This is actually quite simple. To do this I open Microsoft Teams and go to the relevant chat. This can be a group chat or a chat with a single person. Now I start writing my message. At the point where I want to make the line break, I press the key combination of Shift and Enter, and I'm already in the second line without sending the message. Now I can finish writing my message. And when I'm done, I send the message by pressing Enter. And in this way, I can insert as many line breaks as I like into my messages. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.